Glorious straight driving. More runs.
Oh, it could be out. Yes, it will be.
The Sporty Podcast, your weekly dose of sports.
They're very well. In fact, RCB, according to me, they have improved their, middle order bowling, which were their bone of contention in the last many editions. So we have the openers. Virat Padikal as usual. Next, last time what it used to happen is that AB would come at number 3, Virat would be at number opener. He used to be the opener, and Padikal would get out within 6.
They had Finch last time.
They had Finchy, but he
never fired. He never
got the opening partnership never went beyond 6 overs.
Finch got unsold in the auction.
The captain of
2020 captain.
Australian captain.
Yes.
White ball cricket captain.
So the last time AB would come before 8th over, and that's why he used to play two games.
Yeah,
the biggest problem of RCB was they never used to score runs between 5 and 15th
so now,
over.
we can say AB and Virat have their thing ki even if we don't play, we have players.
We have players like we have this guy Maxwell. We have, and they have got 2 more players, Azhar and Washington. They had Washington, but now they have more confidence in him because of his exploits in.
We have a mix of experienced player right now in RCB,
and they have got 2 keepers. One is Sachin Baby as well as AB de Villiers, so that also is sorted. Now, the biggest problem of RCB was their bowling. To be more precise, fast bowlers. They had spinners. They had Chahal and Washington Sundar, who used to go below 6-7 overs. They never used to go. They rarely would pick wickets, but still, unka economy अच्छा था.
Yeah.
It always would be below 7, even in grounds like Bengaluru, which is very small ground. बहुत छोटा मैं गया था वहाँ पे, बहुत छोटा ground है वो. And people would hit 6 there. So all they wanted was fast bowlers. They always were in search for fast bowlers since edition 1. They went for Umesh Yadav, they went for Ashok Dinda, all sorts of players. They are very good players, but unfortunately they were not able to replicate their performance in T20. So they had to let go of Umesh Yadav. This time we have got 2 fast bowlers, foreign fast bowlers. One is Jamieson, and another one is I think Richardson, right?
Yes.
Kane Richardson and Jamieson. They also have got Daniel Christian. So I'll prefer Richardson and Jamieson as the 2 fast bowlers to start.
Also have Daniel Sams.
They also have Daniel Sams. The Indian bench that they have is Mohammad Siraj and Saini, who went to Australia and they prepared very well. But the problem is that in the last series against England, Virat preferred Shardul Thakur over Siraj, and Virat preferred Prasidh Krishna, the debutant, over Saini and Siraj.
Saini was preferred in Australian series, if you remember.
But it was
he got
the last
hit a
match.
lot.
But he got one injury. Even Chahal was replaced by this guy, Kuldeep
Rahul Chahar.
Kuldeep Yadav.
So they will be eager ki we can play and they can replace themselves in the team.
They will be eager to prove. And even Washington was hit a lot in the last series, which I didn't expect because his performance for RCB was very brilliant. Regardless of how many wickets, less number of wickets he used to pick, but the economy was wonderful, and because of pressure he would create on the batsman, the batsman would hit the next bowler for 6s, and that's why those bowlers would pick up wickets.
They were I feel RCB is a balanced team this year. What do you think about Maxwell? Was a good buy for them?
I was thinking between Steve Smith and Maxwell, but they went for Maxwell probably because to release the burden of the shoulders of Virat Kohli and AB de Villiers, because they used to play very slowly. RCB was the slowest team in that middle order, in that middle over section, 6 to 15. They were the slowest team because after because Finch would get out within 3-4 overs and Padikal would score a 50 definitely, but using 40 balls. So AB de Villiers and Virat Kohli, they would be on the crease even before 8th over would start.
They were concerned ki aage kya hoga.
But because AB de Villiers is best player not as a middle order but as a finisher. Even we have also seen what MS would do when he would come before the 15th over. These guys are not, I'm not saying that they are meant for those, they are not meant for those positions. They are wonderful players, but that's not
after
their preference.
Overs,
that's not their preference. Their preference is Hardik Pandya, Karen Pollard. Their preference is after 12th over. When they take only 5-6 balls to settle down, and then they will go for big 6s. So they wanted to reduce the burden of AB de Villiers' shoulders. So maybe they preferred Maxwell over Smith, which is perfect.
What do you think?
Middle order is perfect.
Maxwell is a good buy for RCB?
Yes, perfect.
14 crores.
Actually, he's a very good buy, I think.
Considering he had the worst season of IPL last season.
Yeah, but still, he's a great player, I think.
Yeah.
He's one of
Form is temporary, but he's class.
He did well in the New Zealand series recently.
He did?
New Zealand, right? Which
New
series was
Zealand,
it?
yeah,
Australia
New Zealand,
versus?
New Zealand series.
I don't know.
5 T20 series.
Yeah, 5 2020 series. Maxwell did well over there. And recently Finn Allen. So he scored an 18 ball 50. We forgot about him. He was replaced with, I guess, Finn Allen got replaced with Josh Philippe.
Okay.
So
Josh Philippe is no longer in that team now.
yeah. So Finn Allen, who came into form recently for them.
Finn Allen, I think he's gonna be very crucial. Not very crucial, but
They
quite
can
crucial
try
for
him as
RCB.
they tried for Josh Philippe in place of Finch last season.
Yeah, he can open. Right?
Yeah.
Finn Allen.
So who do we have as 4 foreign players? We have AB, and assuming ki
Maxwell.
AB Maxwell to batsman
two,
ho gaye.
two ballers.
And you need both the bowlers.
Yes.
Because you can't depend on Siraj and Saini all the time.
Yeah.
You can't. I don't think Virat will give 8
Kyle
overs to both of
Jamieson
them.
has got very less experience.
He is a test player basically.
He's test player basically. Yeah.
So they just wanted an all-rounder and they picked Kyle Jamieson for an all-rounder.
How is Richardson?
Richardson is quite decent.
He
not
is.
very good.
Is
See,
he
all
economic? Is he
those
economic?
RCB players were in the Australian squad. Kane Richardson, Daniel Sams. So they were playing for Australia.
He gives away quite a few runs.
But Daniel Sam bats well as well.
No, Kane Richardson I'm talking about.
Okay.
We even have Daniel Christian.
Daniel
Dan
Christian
Christian
comes
is,
in an experience part.
We forgot him.
There's nothing he hasn't won, Dan Christian.
He has won BBL. He has won all sorts of tournaments in the world.
So they want his experience.
yeah.
That is the reason they bought him for 7 crores.
And they removed him, Chris Morris.
Yeah.
Maybe they have replaced him with him.
Dan
So they got
Christian.
him for 7 crores and left.
They can
Chris
use
Morris.
his experience, but I think considering 2 bowlers will be a better option.
They need 2 balls.
They need 2 bowlers. I guess.
Will the matches be played in Bengaluru? I don't
No.
think so. I don't think
no
so. That's,
team
that's
will play in
plus
their
point.
home game.
That's the plus point because Bengaluru's stadium is very small. It's very
See,
harmful
I
for.
think for RCB the slog overs or the
Death overs.
death overs can be bowled by Chahal and Zampa.
Chahal.
Yeah.
Oh,
Death
Zampa.
overs for spinners.
Yeah, because last time they had they did bowl a few times.
Used them.
the
Virat
death
used them.
overs.
Virat used bowlers very well last season.
Yeah, he used Chahal in the death overs,
Hmm.
and he picked wickets as well as the run flow was minimized
Quite
by
decent.
him.
Yeah.
And also he used Adam Zampa as well.
But Zampa didn't play all the games last
No,
time.
didn't play all the games, but
games.
in which he played, he showed a decent performance. So
What-
I think Adam Zampa is also a good pick.
Yeah. What's different for RCB this season is their Indian power is also good. This Mohammad Azharuddin and Rajat Patidar, they played well in
Yeah.
Vijay Hazare. And not to mention about Padikkal, what he did.
He's-
Particularly is in hot form in the recently held Vijay
Yeah, he
Hazare
was
Trophy.
the second highest after
Second
Prithvi
highest.
Shaw, who had.
I was surprised
the last of the season.
why he wasn't picked in the England series.
Yeah.
I was surprised. Gill was
Maybe
preferred over him.
RCB wants to keep him. Virat wants to keep him. Only capped players cannot be kept for next
Cannot
season. So to keep him uncapped for this
And I think
season.
Mumbai has got that negativity because
Yes.
now Kishan
Surya
has also
and
played
Kishan,
Kishan.
they both
So
have
they
played.
won't be able to retain the next time
No.
when 10 teams will come.
Yeah. So this is like Padikkal. He is the next coming star for India.
He's
of course.
incoming, he's incoming.
And there are so much contenders for like Ishan Kishan, Shikhar Dhawan, Rohit Sharma, Shubman Gill. Not to say. I think Dhawan के साथ जो हुआ थोड़ा गलत हो गया because he never performed poorly. over
Yeah.
there.
Just the strike rate, it was an issue. Others were performing quite well in terms of strike rate.
Kishan didn't take time.
Yeah, not at all.
fired
He just
directly.
played freely.
So did Surya.
So yeah.
That was pretty good.
So it has been always a concern. He doesn't fire as like Rishabh Pant would fire Shikhar Dhawan at the top. But yeah, he's consistent with Shikhar Dhawan.
Okay,
So even that matters.
These were the most balanced teams according to us.